Hello students, nice to you. Myself Neeraj Kumar, the computer teacher of your school, came to write back again with a new video in which I shall explain the one important topic of chapter 1, unit 3 and for class 10. The title of the chapter is operating system and the topic about which I am going to discuss today is function of an operating system. Students, as we have learnt about the main job of an operating system, the main job of an operating system of computer, as it is used to make an interface between user and computer by translating the user's language into computer's language and its vice versa. We have also learned there will be no existence of computer in absence of an operating system. But in this video, we have to know what are the functions of an operating system. Students, it is essential to express here that the operating system is really the whole and sole component of a computer as a software. It does almost important functions in the computer. So what are these functions? The first one function is processing management. Students, as we know, multitasking and multi-programming is a silent feature of our computer. So during multitasking processing, the operating system manages the time for all the applications which are opened or onto which we are working. So the operating system allocates the processes to process and deallocate the processor when a process is not required. It plays a vital role in scheduling the various system resources to different process requesting. Second one, the memory management. Students, as we know, the computer uses primary and secondary memory to store and regulate the informations. Which memory at what time should be activated for storing the information is defined and managed only by an operating system. It allocates and deallocates the memory to process when it is required and terminated. Third one is file management. As we know, in our computer, there are number of files having the different characteristics and due to which they are different from each other. All the files are different from their extensions such as .txt, .doc, mp4, .com, .sys, .dll, XML, HTML, etc. So file management involves keeping track of different files and maintain their integrity of data storage, and this all are done by the part of an operating system. Fourth one, the security. Security is the main characteristics of computer, and that is regulated only by the part of an operating system. The files which are stored in the computer can be kept out of reach from the general people by applying the various security features such as applying the password, changing the attributes of the files, etc. So operating system plays a leading role in securing our data and files from others using its different features. Fifth one is the command interpretation. Students, as you know, this module of an operating system takes care of interpreting user's command and directing the system resources to handle the requests. How the hardware parts of the computer, how the hardware parts of the computer will act, that is totally defined and decided by an operating system. It changes our commands in such a form so the connected devices could better understand. Sixth one is the input, output or device management. Students, as we know, the computer is an integrated parts of various devices. The part of a operating system keeps track all the devices which are connected with a computer. Operating system manages devices using the device drivers which are installed with the devices attached. It allocates and deallocates the devices among processing. Seventh one is user interface. Students, this is also the main feature of an operating system, is to make an interface between user and a computer by translating the user's language into computer's understandable form, means in digital form, and computer's language into user's understandable form. And this way the interaction in between the user and the computer is made. So after that, the function of computer is completed, but not only this all the functions, but some other functions are also available, but this is beyond your topic. So till have a nice day and thank you.